Hey everyone, this is your boy Programming Terrain back with another video on setting up Python programming on your M1 Air. So I recently got an M1 and I was just looking to quickly set it up with the Python development environment, and I wanted to use it for working on different projects. So here is a quick tutorial for you to do that. Let me know in the comment section whether it helped you or not, or if there are any specific programming videos that you would like for me to put on this channel. Yeah, now let's get straight into it. Thanks. Let me check if I have Python 3 version. I shouldn't have anything like that right now. Oh, I already do. I think Homebrew already installed a Python package for me. So if I want to use Python 3, just go ahead. Okay, inside the shell and activate anything. Again, exit. Yeah. So I have Python 3 3.9.6. all right, command D to stop it, and command D just splits the shell into multiple windows. I think it just splits it. That is not what I want. So I was going through this article that Mitchell prepared. This was from Coding for Entrepreneurs. I wanted, instead of heading to the official Python website and getting the download for macOS, I ended up installing it using Homebrew. So that is also one step that I will take you guys along, and I'll let you know how that I just completed it. Okay, so it would be like, you can go ahead here and you can install whichever Python version suits your needs, and you can just go ahead to downloads and you can download it for the Mac, and that is how you get it. Okay, so alright, type the following commands. With this you can check whether the Python got installed on your system. Basically I went ahead and installed it using Brew. So with Homebrew, I just copied the first call command, I just ran it in the terminal, and I just started with that, right? And it just installed for me. As soon as it did, there were two commands that it asked to just link the Homebrew, and after that, as soon as that got done, okay, so after that there is a specific Python version that one can install as well. Okay, all right, Control D, exit, Python version. Let's see which Python version we have. Python is not there, it has to be Python 3. So let's go with Python 3. Yes, we have this. And in the next steps, it is also taking us through installing a specific Python version, whichever Python we want. You can also do it through Brew search Python. It will tell you if there is a specific version of Python that you really want to install, and you can go. I wanted to go with Python 3.8, but by default I think it comes with Python 3.9. so that is the version of Python that I have right now, that I didn't even need to install. As soon as I installed Homebrew, it was already there, so I didn't install a new version. So after this, it is just checking the Python with creating a, okay, so it is creating a dev folder, make dirp dev, and in the directory it is creating test project. There there it is initializing a virtual environment and activating, upgrading pip. All right, these are the things that will set it up. Let me start with the next steps. Let me see where we are right now. So we're here. I want to head to documents. Let me see what all is there. Okay, so I don't think there is anything as of now in my documents directory. Documents, yes, I don't think there is anything. So since I'm already here, let me create a directory. dir sb. Let me name it dev, just like Michelle did. This is how you run this. It will create new directory. Did it create for me? I think it did not. Dev, make a main dev folder. I create dev folder on my user account for all software projects. That is what he's mentioned, but I don't think it's working out for me. So it didn't create a folder like that, even though I wanted it to. Will this work? I don't think it's working because there's no directory getting created. Name dir dev. Oh, that is how it works. And this is not working. So if I want to create a project, I will just switch to my directory. Now we don't need this anymore. I'll just switch to my directory cd dev cd ls cd. Alright, let me start a test project just like this. Dir new test project, and let me switch into this project and once see if we are able to start the virtual environment in Python. So let me switch into this project ls Python 3 -mveng virtual environment package we are going to use, and we are going to create a new environment. Let's see whether this is working or not. Okay, now this has the virtual environment, I see. So let's try activating this, whether this command works now. env bin activate. Oh, so you can see now that the virtual environment is activated. All right, so let's upgrade the Python version. Inside the virtual environment, we're going to see if we have the upgraded pip version or not. Upgrade. I think can't open file. No such file. I think pip is not installed in this. I need to check this though. Okay, let me go out of this virtual environment. Let me check whether we have, just like the Python version, whether we also have pip as well. Let me check pip version that we have. Pip is not there. Do we have pip 3? Oh, we have pip 3. We do have pip 3. So I think this command is supposed to be run using pip 3 and not pip. And let me go back to the environment bin activate. Virtual environment is activated. Now let me run this command. Python 3 -m pip3 install. Upgrade. pip3 upgrade. I think pip is already available in this, so we don't need to run this step, I think. Alright, so let us just try installing these packages. Pip install Django, pip install request, pip. Let me see what all packages we have by default. We have this. Let's install Django request. Let me see if it is working or not. I was able to install Django. Alright, it's just working as expected. It downloaded request, it downloaded Django. I guess we're good to go. Virtual environment has those directories and packages installed. If that is there, the only thing that is left to set up here now is VS Code. Let me just quickly see how I can set up that. VS Code 4. Oh, there is one article on this. Let me see how we can do that. Is it like this? Linux, Visual Studio Code. Okay, for Mac, Visual Studio Code for Mac. Let me see if I can get started from here itself. Oh, yes, I can download it. Right from their installation page. Alright. Let me just install it quickly. I don't think we have skipped any other step here. We should be good to go. The packages that we have installed, we can just list those. Alright, Django is there, request is there. We are pretty much good. It is all good, I tell you, but I was hoping to get more things here. Show and run commands, go to symbol, Python 3. It's working. First program on new M1. Hello. Let's use f strings and test it out quickly. Hello. Will it work here? Let me just quickly try running it once. Oh, it's working. Works great. So this was a quick video to just demonstrate how one can quickly set up their VS Code with Python development, so they can do that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. That's all, guys.